Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. If you're here, make sure like and subscribe. If you're not new here, then welcome back. Shit, guys, I know I've been going for a while, but there's a reason for it. So if you guys remember, oh shit, hold on. This is what my headlight looks like, both of them, right? So I went and freaking got new ones on eBay, so I'm finna install them right now. So let's see how it goes. Well, like I said in the last clip, since my headlights, y'all see how it looks, they're messed up, yellowish. I try to sand them down and clear them, but it doesn't work. I think it's on the inside, but like I was trying to say, I went on eBay and I got new ones. Yes, sir. Look. Oh, Alright, guys. This is gonna be a quick voiceover. I was just talking about I had to wash my car and try to kind of like clean the interior because it's been sitting for a while since my upper and lower control arms, they were messed up. But I ended up not doing none of them in this video. That's gonna be for another video. But yeah, guys, make sure to like and subscribe. Hopefully you guys like how the car turned out. And I'm sorry that I had to do a voiceover. First time that I had to do that, because I don't know why. Whenever I moved the cable on my mic, it started doing that noise. But then on the next clip, it was perfectly fine. Alright, guys, I'll let you guys enjoy the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And I know you guys gonna like how the headlights is gonna make the car. So now I'm already starting to take everything out, like you guys see. I'm finna go get my tripod and the headlights so I can switch them. Y'all see the now, the before. Y'all finna see the after in a little bit. Alright, so I got the headlights out already. I'm finna finish doing that. I don't got a tripod, so I'm finna put you guys on my toolbox. And bear with me, and let's get this shit done. But yeah, guys, we're finna have already inside out. So I'm excited. I cannot wait because I got tired of this. You guys see how it looks? Give me like probably like 5 minutes for me. It's gonna be like a minute for you or seconds for you. So stay here. Shit, out with the old already. So I'm trying to figure out because I think I gotta take that and put it on this one. I'm finna watch a video real quick and see to make sure. But yeah, guys, I already know this is gonna look way better on it. So stay tuned and let's get it. I don't know if you guys are ready. I don't know if you can tell by my smile, but holy, that shit looks nice. Damn, that looks sexy now. Y'all ready? In 3, 2, 1. Woo! Look at that. Damn. Look at the before. This is the perfect because I haven't done this side. So before and after. Holy. Hell yeah, guys. Let me finish that side real quick. Then I'll do, I'll keep saying because I got to do the interior as well. But holy moly. Like Quick Fix will say, out with the old and with the new. So yeah, guys, I'm trying to do a quick voiceover. I was just trying to say that the car looks amazing. And I'm doing the voiceover because I have music on the video and I forgot. But I'm literally just in love with how the car came out. And I was trying to say that this is what's gonna be probably it for that video. And yeah, guys, I'm just trying to say, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And you guys already know, there's more to come. I'm back. I was without a computer, but I'm back. Let's get into it.